What's going on, guys? Recently partnered up with Qualy USA. They're located down in Florida. Good group of guys. I'm going to be running their 12-volt AC compressor on the 987 project. Kind of had an idea of doing this a while back. The rear engine of that car, the engine bay, is relatively busy with all the additional lines for the transmission, pump coolers, AccuSump, the oil coolers, everything. And added bonus, a little bit more weight in the front. Not that it is really at all much, but any little bit helps. Also, good benefit of running a little less parasitic drag on the engine. Just spent a good amount of time and effort on that motor. It's making good power at 9,000 RPM redline. Super excited about that. But we're going to get into just a basic unboxing today. Then I'm going to head down to Swoops' shop. We're going to come up with a plan. We're sticking with the OEM condenser locations, so the left and right side. Most of the OEM lines, the OEM dryer, and I will be utilizing the OEM HVAC control panel and a CAN bus to analog converter to handle everything as it would be in an OEM car. So let's open this up and take a look. All right, I cheated. I cut the tape, but I promise I did not look any more into it. So we got the power and ground with the relay and some of the AC condenser side fittings come with it. Some isolating bushings for the mount, I'm guessing. Oh, yep, here's the mount. All right. Breaking stuff. All right, so we got some directions, some stickers. Always need stickers. Obviously, it's super important. Got the bracket for the compressor, which is pretty beefy. And let's take a look at the goods. I feel like it's definitely lighter than the OEM compressor. But like I said, we will maybe toss on the scale, get some proper data. I'm relatively certain I have an AC compressor from LS, a couple of Porsches, maybe some JZs laying around because I hoard stuff. All right. Ziploc bag for freshness. Let's see here. All right. Let me bring you a little bit closer. So, like I said, I have zero experience with electric 12-volt compressors, but housing looks nice. The casting looks like it's well done. There's not horrific markings on it. Some stuff that I've seen lately. It's extremely light. Again, it's surprisingly light. The another thing that jumped out at me is the paint marks for the torquing. I do this myself. I'm pretty forgetful, and I will move on to stuff without tightening things. It's terrible, but this has helped me be a bit more methodical, and it's nice to see other companies do it as well. I'm going to head down to Swoops. We're going to go over where we want to stick this guy, and unsure if we're going to use this bracket or not. This bracket is dang close to being the same weight as the compressor. It is, I would say, overkill. Unsure if it's going to work. Again, unsure where we're going to put it. So we'll see how it goes. I would imagine you could utilize this bracket, though, in, I would say, 99% of installations. So kind of excited. Pretty excited. New things, learning about new stuff, see how it works. I've never been in even a car that has electric AC. I know very little about it, but I think it was the right call. But I guess we'll find out together. If any of you guys have run a similar system or a system from Qualy Air, chime in. Let me know. Maybe you got something that you experienced or that I should do. I am listening. But yeah, we will see how it goes. All right, so we, for once, have a little bit of a plan. Gonna obviously play it by ear as most of us do. Space is still an issue on the frunk. We have the radium surge tank, the battery, the fire suppression, the electronic power steering. So it's a fair bit. I'm going to be doing a full install video on this and going to be putting it on YouTube. This is my first full-length content. I am not relatively, I'm terrible at speaking in front of the camera. I'm going to do my best and continue this year just doing better. So stick with me. If you guys have any ideas, any recommendations, honestly, that's kind of what I'm here for. Love to hear it.